Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's crucial: how to come up with an awesome research topic. But first, did you know technology is making things easier? We can now generate research topics with just an app or website. But let's focus on that now. Open your browser and head to chat.openai.com. That's the ChatGPT platform. And if you are new and wondering how to get started, don't worry. I've got a video on creating an account. Links down below, super simple. Now, let's get to the heart of it. Why is mastering research topic selection important? Whether you are in school or beyond, research papers are coming. But don't worry, ChatGPT has your back. So, what's the secret sauce for a killer research topic? I've got 3 magic ingredients. First, personal passion. Pick something that truly interests you. Don't waste time on a topic that doesn't excite you. You are passionate about deforestation, so type it on ChatGPT. Give me a research ideas about deforestation, since it is too broad. Next, add context. Where? For example, where in the world is that animal suffering from deforestation? Throw in geographical details, a historical angle, or dive into a specific animal subgroup. Here you see that gorillas are suffering from Central Africa. Put it all together and type, come up with a research topic about deforestation's impact on Central African gorillas. Then here, you will have an idea on what topic you want to name with your research. I hope this video makes your life a little easier when it comes to coming up with a research topic. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.